Welcome to our video, where we explore the exciting world of artificial intelligence. As you watch, remember to subscribe and like our video to support our efforts in bringing you the latest and greatest in AI research and development. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Space Exploration Technologies Corporation, better known as SpaceX, is a private American aerospace manufacturer and space transport services company founded in 2002 by entrepreneur Elon Musk with the goal of reducing space transportation costs and enabling the colonization of Mars. SpaceX's first two launch vehicles were the Falcon 1 and Falcon 9, both designed for reuse. The Falcon 1 was the first privately developed liquid fuel rocket to reach orbit, and the Falcon 9 is a partially reusable heavy-lift launch vehicle. In 2012, the Dragon spacecraft became the first privately built and operated spacecraft to be recovered successfully from orbit. In May 2012, SpaceX launched its first spacecraft, the Dragon, to the International Space Station, ISS, as part of NASA's Commercial Orbital Transportation Services, COTS, program. In December of that year, the Dragon made its first cargo resupply mission to the ISS, becoming the first privately built spacecraft to visit the ISS. In March 2013, SpaceX made history again by successfully launching and landing the first stage of its Falcon 9 rocket. This marked the first time a privately built spacecraft had successfully landed an orbital-class rocket, and it was a significant step towards SpaceX's goal of developing reusable rockets. In February 2018, the company launched its first Falcon Heavy rocket, which is the most powerful operational rocket in the world by a factor of 2. The Falcon Heavy can lift more than twice the payload of the next closest operational vehicle, the Delta IV Heavy, at one-third the cost. In addition to its reusable launch vehicles, SpaceX is also working on developing a spacecraft for interplanetary travel called the Starship. The Starship is designed to be a fully reusable spacecraft capable of carrying both crew and cargo to Earth orbit, the Moon, Mars, and beyond. SpaceX also has plans to launch a constellation of thousands of small satellites, known as Starlink, to provide internet connectivity to remote and underserved areas of the world. As of 2021, SpaceX has launched over 1,000 Starlink satellites. SpaceX's ultimate goal is to make life multiplanetary by colonizing Mars. The company plans to send its first cargo missions to Mars as early as 2022, with the goal of sending humans to Mars in the mid-2020s. SpaceX's achievements and ambitious goals have made it one of the most innovative and exciting companies in the aerospace industry. Its success in developing reusable rockets and spacecraft, along with its plans for interplanetary travel and satellite-based internet, have the potential to greatly impact the future of space exploration and technology. It should be noted that SpaceX is not without its controversy. Some have raised concerns about the potential impact of Starlink satellites on astronomy, and others have criticized the company for receiving government funding and contracts. Also, the company has struggled with the development and production of Starship, with several failed tests and explosions. The company's ability to design, build, and launch advanced spacecraft and rockets has the potential to revolutionize the way we explore and utilize space, and its ambitious plans for interplanetary travel and satellite-based internet could have far-reaching implications for humanity. One of the key factors in SpaceX's success has been its focus on reusable technology. The company's Falcon 9 rocket, for example, is designed to be partially reusable, with the first stage of the rocket capable of landing itself back on Earth after launching the payload into orbit. This has greatly reduced the cost of space launches and has been a major step towards SpaceX's goal of developing fully reusable rockets. In addition to reusable rockets, SpaceX is also working on developing reusable spacecraft. The Dragon spacecraft, for example, is designed to be recovered and reused after missions to the International Space Station, ISS. This not only reduces the cost of space missions but also increases the safety and reliability of the spacecraft, since it can be thoroughly inspected and tested between flights. SpaceX's reusable technology has not only been successful in the area of launch vehicles and spacecraft but also in its Starlink program. The company plans to launch a constellation of thousands of small satellites into orbit to provide internet connectivity to remote and underserved areas of the world. The satellites are designed to be reusable, with the ability to deorbit and be replaced with new ones. This allows SpaceX to continually update and improve the capabilities of the Starlink system. Another area where SpaceX has made significant strides is in the development of its interplanetary spacecraft, the Starship. The Starship is designed to be a fully reusable spacecraft capable of carrying both crew and cargo to Earth orbit, the Moon, Mars, and beyond. The spacecraft is being developed in stages, with the first stage, known as the Super Heavy Booster, providing the propulsion to launch the Starship into orbit. The second stage, the Starship itself, is designed to land on the surface of other celestial bodies, such as Mars. SpaceX's ambitious goal to colonize Mars has been met with both excitement and skepticism. The company plans to send its first cargo missions to Mars as early as 2022, with the goal of sending humans to Mars in the mid-2020s. While the technology and capabilities to make this a reality exist, many questions remain about the feasibility of a human settlement on Mars, including the cost, the potential impact on the Martian environment, and the long-term sustainability of a colony on the red planet. Despite the challenges and controversies, SpaceX continues to push the boundaries of what is possible in the aerospace industry. The company's achievements in reusable technology, interplanetary spacecraft development, and satellite-based internet have the potential to greatly impact the future of space exploration and technology. It is also worth mentioning that SpaceX has been working on other projects and contracts, such as the development of a new rocket engine known as Raptor, and a contract with NASA to develop a spacecraft for lunar landing called the Human Landing System, HLS, for Artemis program. SpaceX's impact on the industry is undeniable. Its reusable technology has been adopted by other companies and organizations, such as NASA, Blue Origin, and ULA. Its satellite program, Starlink, has the potential to bring internet to remote and underserved areas, and its goal of colonizing Mars has inspired new generations of scientists and engineers to pursue careers in space exploration. As SpaceX continues to make progress in these areas, it will undoubtedly play a crucial role in shaping the future of space technology and exploration. Overall, SpaceX has made remarkable strides in the aerospace industry, pushing the boundaries of what was once thought possible and inspiring new generations of engineers and scientists. The company's ability to design, build, and launch advanced spacecraft and rockets has the potential to revolutionize the way we explore and utilize space, and its ambitious plans for interplanetary travel and satellite-based internet could have far-reaching implications for the future of humanity. In addition to its technical achievements, SpaceX has also been a leader in the field of commercial spaceflight. The company's ability to successfully launch and operate reusable spacecraft and rockets has greatly reduced the cost of space launches and has opened up new opportunities for commercial companies and organizations to access space. This has led to the growth of a thriving industry of private space companies, with many new companies entering the market to compete with SpaceX and offer their own services and capabilities. Furthermore, SpaceX has also been at the forefront of efforts to bring space technology and innovation to the public. The company's live webcasts of launches and landings, as well as its open communication with the public and media, have helped to demystify spaceflight and make it more accessible to the general public. This has helped to build excitement and interest in space exploration and technology, and has inspired new generations of scientists, engineers, and entrepreneurs to pursue careers in the field. One area where SpaceX has yet to make significant strides is in the field of human spaceflight. The company has yet to launch a manned mission, and it is currently working with NASA to develop the Crew Dragon spacecraft, which will be used to transport astronauts to and from the International Space Station. However, SpaceX has made significant progress in this area, and the first manned mission is expected to launch in the near future. In conclusion, SpaceX has made remarkable strides in the aerospace industry and has pushed the boundaries of what was once thought possible. The company's focus on reusable technology, interplanetary spacecraft development, satellite-based internet, and its ambitious plans for Mars colonization have the potential to greatly impact the future of space exploration and technology. Furthermore, SpaceX's commercial successes and public-facing efforts have helped to make spaceflight more accessible, and has inspired new generations of scientists and engineers to pursue careers in the field. As the company continues to make progress and achieve new milestones, it will undoubtedly play a crucial role in shaping the future of space technology and exploration. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed it. As a reminder, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment on the video.